Good morning. I got up at 6 a.m. today. Do you know why? I'm sure you know the proverb, the early bird catches the worm. Hayaoki wa sanmon no toku, something like that. I have to look it up in my dictionary. The early bird catches the worm. And the Japanese is Hayaoki wa sanmon no toku. I was right. That's the proverb for this week. It's a very long proverb. When you're using a proverb, you don't need to memorize the whole thing, but it's important to understand it. You can also use a very short version. For example, you know what they say about the early bird. You know what they say about the early bird. And that way, you don't have to say the whole idiom. Just remember, you know what they say about 999. It's like Japanese, 何々とよく言うさ。何々とよく言うじゃん。とか。早もんのとく、早起きは三もんのとく。よく言うじゃんの代わりに、早起きはよく言うじゃん。I guess it doesn't really work in Japanese, but in English it's okay. You know what they say about the early bird. But if you want, you can say the whole idiom. The early bird catches the worm. See you later.